channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So today is another hair review. I'm reviewing this wig. UNice cannot be defined. The wig came here and came with some goodies. Let me bring them out for you guys to see. Wow, UNice. All these goodies were added to it. A scarf, a wig cap, hair clips, and a pair of lashes. Those are the goodies that was added to today's wig. Okay, today's video I want to make it simple. I don't think I'm going to glue this hair down. I just want to wear the wig like that. So this is the wig inside this bag. Is 18 inches and it's ginger color. So this is it, and the hair is 4x4. 18 inches. Well, this is long, 18 inches, but I don't really know if this 18. I'm going to check anyway. The full length, I'm going to put it on the description box. So all the information about this wig will be on the description box. So in case if you're interested, as usual, go to the description box. All the details will be on the description box. Even the link that will take you to their website will be on the description box as well. If there's any discount code, I'm going to include that on the description box. So we're just going to take it simple, okay? Take it simple with this hair. Since it's 4x4 lace wig, you can see this. So I'm going to remove my cap, my bonnet. And I'll wear this. I made it very tight, really tight at the back, since I don't want to glue it down. Should I use airbrush legs? Because it's white. Okay, I'm going to cut the excess lace from it. I love this color. Wow, guys, I really love the color. I'm just going to leave it like this. I so much love it.
Balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it.
So guys, that is it. See that? See here? The thing just stick to my scalp. I'm going to open the pattern longer.
I felt like I was never hurt. All I wanted was to be loved.
I'll use to open the pattern.
Yours if you want. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it.
Use my hand to comb the coils because I want it big. I don't want to wet it, just lose the coils. Wow, I love this color. So it's 18 inches. Sure, this is 18 inches.
Listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I say.
See this? It's not glued down. I did not glue it down. Let me show you guys the back.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to break.
So guys, that is it for this video. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. And gorgeous, before you go, please, if you like it here, subscribe. Thank you so much for doing that. I appreciate it. And if you like this hair review, see, very simple. The hair, you see it popping, okay? You don't need to do anything. Just remove the lace, place it, and you are good to go. If you want to bring out baby hair, you can do that, but I don't just want to bring out baby hair. I just want to make it simple, okay? So that is it. I will see you guys in my next one. If you like this hair tutorial, support your girl by clicking on that like button. All right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.
Mom and Dad's only daughter.